The stars still shine the same, and every road I've ever followed still whispers out my name. I've seen horizons come and go, watched dreams become the past, but every ending leaves a doorway opening at last. The world keeps turning, the night unfolds, and somewhere in the distance another story grows. What waits beyond the firelight, beyond the things I've known, beyond the roads I've traveled and the places I called home. I still hear the distant calling, the same as years ago, and I know there's something waiting beyond the edge of what I know. The mountains keep their secrets, the rivers keep their song, and I've learned that every answer doesn't have to come at once. Some days I move a little slower, some days the climb feels steep, but wonder still survives inside me. Like an ember I still keep. The map keeps changing, the stars remain, and I still feel that pull again and again. What waits beyond the firelight, beyond the things I've known, beyond the roads I've traveled and the places I call home. I still hear the distant calling, the same as years ago, and I know there's something waiting beyond the edge of what I know. Maybe I'll never find a final destination. Maybe the magic lives inside the exploration. Every new sunrise, every unknown shore reminds me that this world still has something more. One more path, one more sky, one more dream passing by. One more mountain, one more view, one more reason to follow through. What waits beyond the firelight, beyond the things beyond.